Hi friends, today we will be discussing rod cutting problem under dynamic programming. So first discuss what is the problem. ठीक है, we have given a rod of length 6 and we have given pieces available. Okay, so pieces available are of length 1, 2, 4 and 5. Okay, so what we have is we have a big rod of length, total length is 6. Okay, now the condition is we can cut this rod only into the pieces of size available. Like we can cut the rod into the piece of size 1, 2, 4 or 5. We cannot cut a rod into a piece of say length 3. Okay, length 3 is not possible because this is not, length 3 is not given. And with each piece there is a profit associated with it, right? Like with the length, with the rod of length 1, the profit associated is 2. Same way with 2, 5. And this way with 5, 11, 4, 11 and 5, 4. Okay, so how can we cut this rod, a given rod of length 6 into the pieces whose lengths are available with us? Okay, so say we have rod of length 6, so we can cut this 6 into piece of 4 and 2, as you can see, 4 and 2. So what is the profit associated with it is 5 and 11. So total profit will be 16. Okay, or other way would be we can cut the rod into other two pieces, maybe 5 and 1, because 5 and 1 both pieces are available. So the profit associated will be 6. Okay, but this is maximum. So what we have to find is we have to cut the rod of given length into the rods of pieces available such that we have to maximize the profit. Okay, we can cut, like if the rod of length 6 is given, it is possible to cut into a rod of length 1 with 6, like 6 times, and we have the associated profit with it. Okay, so let's come to our matrix and we will calculate it. So on right hand, on the columns we have mentioned 1, 2, 3 up to 6 till the length of rod, and on rows what we have mentioned is the available length which is given to us, that is 1, 2, 4 and 5, and profit associated with each of the pieces of rod. Okay, so let's discuss. If the rod, a given rod is of length 0, can we cut? No. So what is the profit associated? It is 0. So in all these it will be 0. If the rod of length 1 is given and a piece of length 1 is given, we can cut. What will be the profit? 2. Length 2 is given and we can cut it into only the rod of length 1. Rod of length 2 is given and we can divide this rod of length 2 into the pieces of length 1 only. Okay, so how many pieces we can cut? We can divide 2 into 1 by 2 is, okay, the rod of length is 2, we can divide it into the rod of length 1. Okay, so 2 pieces will be there, so total profit associated will be 4. Okay, rod of length 3 is given, right, and we have to divide it into rod of length 1. Okay, so how many pieces? 3 pieces, and profit associated with each piece is 2, so total profit is 6. Length 4 and divide into length 1. How many pieces? 4 pieces. Profit associated with each piece is 4, so 4 into 2 is 8. Similarly, this will be 10 and this will be 12. Okay, now come here. Rod of length 1 is given. Can we divide it into the rod of length 2? No. So we will directly take value from above, that is 2. Rod of length 2 is given. Can we divide it into rod of length 2? Yes. Profit will be 5. Or we can divide it into, we don't include this, because at this point what we have is we have a rod of length 2 and we can divide it into 2 pieces with the help, piece of length 1 and 2. So what we have to do is either we have to take this element or we have to exclude this element. So either we have to take this value 4, or what we have to do is 2 minus 2, that is 0. So value 0 plus 5, so total value is 5. What is the maximum? 4 or 5, the maximum will be 5. Okay, so it is basically either you have to include it or exclude it. If you have to exclude it, just take the value from above. If you have to include it, subtract these two values and whatever value is in this row plus the profit you have to take. Like way we will do for 3. Rod of length 3, pieces available 1 and 2. So what we have to do is either we have to take this 6. Okay, so what we have to do is 6, maximum of 6, comma, what you have to do is 3 minus 2, what is 1. Okay, so what is the value in this row pertaining to 1, that is 2. तो 2 प्लस व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट 5. सो टोटल इज 7. Maximum of 6,7 is 7. Okay, again try to do this. 8, and what is the value? 4 minus 2 is 2. So value at 2 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. What is maximum between 10 and 8? The maximum is 10. Okay, now come over here. What is the value? 10, or 5 minus 2 is 3. So it is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Maximum between 10 and 12 is 12. Now come over here. What is this? 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. So I will go here. ठीक है, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Maximum between 15 and 12 is 15. Okay, now come over here. Rod of length 1, and you have pieces of length 4. 4, 1 and 2. So can you divide it in rod of length 1 into rod of piece of length 4? No, just take value from above. ठीक है, since this is less than this, you just have to copy value from above. Less than this, copy value from above. 4 is less than 4? No. What you have to do is either take 10 or 4 minus 4 is 0. So come at 0. Same row you have to consider. 0 plus 11 is 11. So maximum of 10 and 11 is 11. Okay. What you have to do is either do 12 or 5 minus 4, which is 1. So it is value is equal to 2. So 11 plus 2 is 13 or 12. Which is the maximum value? 13 is the maximum value. What you have to do is you will come over here. So either take this 15 or 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. So this will be equal to 16. Okay, so maximum between 16 and 15 is 16. Okay, so let's come to next row. What you have to do is, since 1 is less than 5, what you have to do, just copy value from above. Okay, 7 copy, 11 copy. Now you come to here. 5 and 5 both are equal. What you have to do is either 13 take 13, or 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Maximum of 13 and 4 is 13. Again come over here. 5, either 16 you have to take, or what you have to take is 6 minus 5 is 1. Go to 1. Value is 2. Okay, so 2 plus 5 is 6. So what is maximum? 16 is maximum or 6 is maximum? 16 is maximum. So what is the maximum profit which we have earned from this rod cutting is 16. So maximum profit is 16. Let us backtrace it. Since this value is coming from above, we don't include this element. Okay, this 16. Now this 16 is not coming from above, we will include this element. So this element 4 is included. Okay, profit associated with it is 11. Okay, now go 6 minus 4 is 2. We will come. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So what will you do? We will go here, over here, 5. Okay, so this 5 is coming from here. So we will move up. Okay, now this 5 is not coming from here. So this 2 is included. So we will include this 2, and profit associated with it is 5. Okay, so we have included this 2 and so 2 minus 2 is 0. So we will come over here. Okay, so you can see the pieces in which we cut are 4 and 6. Profit is 11 plus 5 is 16. Okay, so let's write the equation for this. Mat of I comma j. So if r of I, this value is less than from L of j, if this is less than, then mat of I comma j is equal to mat of I minus 1 comma j. As you can see, we just copy value from above. Else mat of I comma j is equal to maximum of what we will write, mat of I minus 1 comma j and mat of I comma j minus r of I, this plus profit associated with this I. So whichever is the maximum, we will include that value. So friends, thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.